Yo, I'm back again with another tech drop, and this one's got Meta, Oakley, and AI all in your face. Literally. These are the new Oakley Meta HSTN Smart Glasses, designed for athletes, made for flexing, and powered by Meta's AI brain. You've got a 3K camera in the frame, open ear speakers, and 5 mics so you can talk, record, or hit your AI assistant, all hands-free. Battery is 8 hours on a single charge, plus a case that gives you 2 more days. Oh, and it's splash-proof, so gym or drizzle, you're good. Meta AI is baked in. It can describe your surroundings, translate signs, and probably tell you where you left your keys. No extra app needed. The limited gold accent version drops July 11th for $499. Standard version, $399 later this summer. Global rollout incoming. This is Oakley meets AI, style meets smarts. But will real athletes wear them, or will they just go viral first? Smash that like, follow for more drops, and blink twice to record. Cause yeah, that's a real feature now.